on me, bye.
Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. I know you already saw me with this look in another video, but it's because I did the makeup look and I did the hair look. Like how I install this wig. I just used the Got2B Glue. This is a small one. It's like the travel size of that big one. So yeah, in this video I'm showing you like how I do it. It's really quick. I only do it when I'm in a rush or something. Like I really always need like 10 minutes to fix the hair, to do the hair. And yeah, in this video I'm gonna share with you how I do it. I know many people do it differently, and I know you are supposed to use this one and the other yellow one, like in the tube. But when I'm in a hurry, I just use that one because I think that one is really like sticky, and with that one I can work quickly, so that's why I use that. And in this video I'm showing you how I do it. Yes, and the hair is really like secure. It's really secure only with that, and for a day it's okay, because I always take my wig off when I'm home because I don't really like to go to bed with it. I don't like the feeling. I don't like the feeling here on my forehead. That's why I always take it off. So yeah, it doesn't have to last me a week or anything. So that's how I do it. And yeah, in this video you will see it. And if you like these kinds of videos about hair and so, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you in my next one. Peace. So here we go. Hi, welcome back. I already got on my cap, my wig cap. I did this because I didn't braid my hair down under that, so when I don't do that I always wear a cap. So here you can see the construction of the wig. It has 3 combs, one in the middle and 2 on the sides, and also one in the back. And the wig also comes with adjustable stripes as always. Now I'm gonna put on the wig, and here you can see I'm just like looking where my ear will fit and everything. I just cut off the lace and everything. So now I'm securing the wig with my combs. I only use the one in the front, or the one on the sides, and the one behind. So now I'm flipping the hair over, or the lace, the hair over, so I can start working. As you can see, I'm using Got2B spray. So first thing first, I do a thin layer of this spray or of this glue, as you can see. And I'm not doing it all at once, but in parts. And now I'm using my blow dryer to dry the glue, so that the glue gets tacky. Not really dry, but tacky. You see how tacky it is? So now I'm gonna go back and do the same thing again. Spray the glue on my forehead, and now blow drying it. Not too dry, just sticky. Just has to be sticky, guys, okay? Now, as you can see, I'm taking a comb and I'm pressing down the hair into the glue. And I do this step by step, as you can see me doing here. Just step by step, taking off those combs and pressing down the lace like this. You see, and I always go back with a comb and just press down the hair. And now I'm gonna also go back with my dryer, and now it can get really dry, you know. Now you need to dry the glue. Really, now it has to be like dried. See, that's it. It's so easy, guys. It's really an easy step. It's self-explanatory. So you see that? You see that? I think this one hair that I left out on the side, you see, I think it's too much. Now I'm doing just the same. I'm gonna let you see the same thing that I did with the other part, just same. You can work like as me in sections, or you can do it all by once, but I won't suggest you to do that. No, don't do it, don't do it. Just work in sections like I am doing, like this. You can also do a third layer, but as I told you, it's just, I'm just gonna wear the wig for the day and then I'm gonna put it off at the night, so that's why I didn't really do that much layer or anything. And yeah, there you see how it looks after I glued it down. Like, you see that? You see that? For gluing down under 10 minutes. Now I'm taking this, I don't know the English word, sorry guys, but you see it, the thing to, yeah, wash thing, I don't know the word, I'm so sorry, but you can see it, and I'm just taking off the residue from the glue. And yeah, that's it. And I didn't use alcohol or anything, but next time I will use alcohol. I just use water. And there you can see my hair. It's really, really nice. It's a quick thing. You see that? It was really, without me filming it, I do this under 10 minutes. Really, I do this under 10 minutes. And it looks really nice. The wig is secure. I didn't do any baby hairs or anything on this wig. It's just a short, cute looking wig. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and yes, see you in my next one. Bye.